Good afternoon and welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in. You're watching Times Now. The exclusive updates that we have been picking up, especially when it comes to the NEET paper leak investigation. Let's tell you about also the Parliamentary Standing Committee that is going to meet now and has been meeting as far as when it comes to discuss the NEET UG 2026 paper leak issue. And what is being said that the parliamentary panel has now summoned top officials, and this is being chaired by the Congress MP Digvijay Singh. Now this is reviewing the progress of the investigation into the case of the paper leak case and also assessing the implementation of the K. Radhakrishnan Committee recommendations on the NTA reforms. The National Testing Agency that has come under fire, and we are looking at constant disruptions and also protests that has been taking place on the ground as the anger spills. But what is being said that the Education Secretary and the NTA Chairman who were to make these detailed presentation before the panel, and the NEET protest pictures that has been coming in, this is also coming in from Jaipur as the Congress party and the Karyakartas have been also holding their protests on ground. So multiple developments there that have now taken place as far as the developments when it comes to this racket, or what is being said that ran like a professional operation, and there are deals that were said to be ranging from 5 lakh to 30 lakh rupees. And in that case, when it comes to affluent doctors' families, is something said to be under the radar of the CBI, which has been probing financial dealings as well, transactions. And this is something where we are looking at most of the arrests that have now taken place in Maharashtra, but at least 10 of them. But as far as the NTA is now concerned, that has been under fire. The entire petitions that has also been taken up in the Supreme Court, which is also seeking to dissolve the National Testing Agency, to seek to rather when it comes to more transparency in the way that the examinations are held. But this is how the progress that has now been made on the NEET paper leak case.
क्या कारण है जो लगातार इस प्रकार की घटनाएं हो रही हैं? क्या कारण है कि कुछ सेंटर्स ऐसे हैं जहां इस प्रकार की घटनाएं बार बार हो रही हैं? इन सब बातों को हम लोग संज्ञान में लेकर उस पर चर्चा करके सर्वसम्मति से जो हम लोगों का मत होगा वो देंगे। मुझे तो इस बात का दुख है कि जो रिकमेंडेशंस हमने दी थी पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी के रूप से संसद में रखी थी, और जो अपेक्षा करते थे कि एनटीए और हायर एजुकेशन मिनिस्ट्री इस बात को संज्ञान में लेंगे, वो नहीं हो पाया। और ये भी है कि राधाकृष्णन जी की जो रिपोर्ट थी वो भी कितनी लागू की गई, इस पर भी हम लोग जानकारी लेंगे।
Yes, we have called a meeting today, and that one of the agenda is NEET head also and education secretary also. And we will ask him what is the status, what is going on, why it is happening again and again. Standing committee meetings inside, what happened, what transpired, we are not supposed to speak outside unless that report is placed before the parliament. So I will not be able to disclose everything after the meeting, but yes, you are right, we have a meeting. He talks something which has no sense. So we will look into, and that once the report is placed before the parliament.
Well, Pragya is connected with us. Pragya, information coming in that the meeting has just begun. The NTA DJ has also arrived.
Absolutely, and he has to give a presentation in front of Parliamentary Standing Committee on, what were the recommendations that were adopted by NTA, recommendations of Radhakrishnan Committee, and also where was, NTA lagged when it comes to paper leak. NTA Chief and, DG Abhishek Singh, who is present in this particular meeting, the opinion of Mr. Singh is that there was someone from the inside who leaked the details of the question paper, and when it comes to the infrastructure, it becomes very costly if they give outsource a conduction of the examination of such a scale as NEET to some other outsourced agency, which is not possible. But he said that next time, in next year, when the NEET will take place, it will be going to be online, but the students have to go to their examination center because there are many cybercrime frauds also that are taking place. And to prevent that, the government has decided that this is going to be online, but the students have to go on the examination center to undertake that examination also. But whether the NTA is prepared for that or not, and whether it is going to make arrangement for that by next year, I think he is going to speak about that also in that particular presentation that he's going to give before the Parliamentary Standing Committee. But a very big question mark on NTA right now, because it is given a fact that CBI has said that there are some officials from NTA that might have leaked the information, and in fact this is exactly what NTA DG is also saying, that someone from inside has done that, and in fact CBI is looking at it. They are also waiting for the investigation to be over, but these are the sort of pointers that he's going to be giving in front of Parliamentary Standing Committee when he gives the presentation.
So that seems to be the contention there, because several questions that are now being raised when it comes to previous question papers as well, Pragya. Because if such a leak had taken before, and if it did come to light, then that is also something that investigation is also being sought.
Absolutely. In fact, remember in 2024, such a case was also come, but this time the government said this is a mafia that operates outside, the ring. But having said that, now CBI is saying that there are NTA officials that were involved. So it's a whole mafia and gang that is operating, as far as the leakage of NEET paper is concerned. And this is also what is concerning for the NTA as well. While Abhishek Singh says
Congress
that
MP Digvijay Singh, who is chairing this meeting, NTA DG expected to, put forth a presentation. Remains to be seen the pointers that would be raised for course correction. Thank you, Pragya, for that update. Now, speaking of, protests that has been taking place, and the Congress party, which has been spearheading the protest today, the pictures that have been coming in, let's put out from Bengaluru. This is from Freedom Park. And now what is being said that the Congress party is also staging a big protest. Siddaramaiah is also reaching at the protest site. That means the Chief Minister is also there, along with top Congress party leaders, where Neha is joining us. So Neha, we got reports and pictures coming in from Jaipur. Now NEET protest also taking place in Bengaluru.
Well, Amita, that's right. In fact, a massive protest has been organized here by the Congress party now, opposing, of course, the entire process of the examination. Remember, the senior leaders of the Congress party here, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, the AICC General Secretary Randeep Singh Surjewala, IYC President, and many others as well who gathered here. Remember, of course, their main contention here being with the central government now, in fact, alleging the Prime Minister's compromise, while earlier as well, we saw T-shirts being held up that had, of course, scripting on it that said that the Prime Minister has been compromised. With all of this now, of course, it really remains to be seen, even as the NTA and, of course, the investigation into the entire paper leak continues, as to what really comes out of it. The allegation here of the Congress party being that the central government is playing with the lives of students. In fact, Randeep Singh Surjewala also, of course, just addressing the gathering here. One thing, of course, that we have been gathering is that the sentiment here on ground, as far as, of course, the Congress party is concerned, is that they are, of course, calling out the centre. But remember, even as the investigation, of course, is underway right now by the NTA and, of course, the concerned authorities, it really remains to be seen where the politics around the entire matter dies down.
After a long time.
All right, so it seems that Randeep Singh Surjewala is addressing the people and the protesters over there, and these protests that has been taking place. In fact, we have seen the protests on part of ABVP that had also taken place in Delhi outside the NTA office. But when it comes to the NEET protest, that has been gathering a lot of pace, and this is happening at the time being when we are looking at the meeting of the Parliamentary Standing Committee that is currently underway in the national capital. So the Congress workers who have been protesting over the alleged NEET irregularities in Jaipur, we are looking at pictures that are now coming in from the Freedom Park in Bengaluru as well. And this is now seems to be the picture of protest where the opposition seems to be spearheading this and seeking for the resignation of the Education Mantri. So this is what we are looking at when it comes to the pictures as far as the investigation into the NEET leak trail that has now emerged, which also talks about a certain financial dealings and transactions. Let's in the meantime also talk about the other protests that happened in Jaipur a short while back. Barricades that were breached, water cannons that were used, and this was outside the BJP office against the paper leak and also demanding a resignation of the education minister. As far as the pictures that are coming in from Jaipur, several of the protesters allegedly tried to breach the barricades, following which water cannons were used to disperse the crowd. Let's play out a ground report that is also coming in from Jaipur, explaining the pictures of the protest.
नीट पेपर लीक मामले को लेकर कांग्रेस का उग्र प्रदर्शन है, लिहाजा प्रशासन ने पानी की बौछारें कर रोकना भी चाहा। पूर्व मंत्री हैं प्रताप सिंह खाचरियावास सड़कों पर बैठे हुए हैं और तमाम जो लोगों की गिरफ्तारियां हैं वो भी तमाम जो कांग्रेस के नेता हैं वो दे रहे हैं, क्योंकि साफ तौर पर कहना है कि जिस तरीके से पेपर लीक हुआ उसकी अब जेपीसी से जांच की मांग कर रहे हैं। लिहाजा तमाम जो नेता हैं उन्होंने अपनी गिरफ्तारियां भी दी। तो वहीं बड़ा जो पुलिस का जाब्ता है,
सीबीआई जांच करा रही है ना, ये तो क्लियर है मामला कि बीजेपी सरकार की मिलीभगत से पेपर लीक हुआ है। पुराने पेपर भी लीक हो गए, सच्चाई सामने आ गई। अब ये क्या चाहते हैं? तो ये मंत्रियों का जिनका फोटो आया, जिन्होंने पेपर लीक किया, सीकर के जिसके इंस्टीट्यूट बीजेपी वालों के हैं, उनके तो इंस्टीट्यूट में पेपर लीक हुआ है। तो अब जब पेपर लीक हो गया तो अब आपको है ना जो उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई तो करनी पड़ेगी ना। बीजेपी बच नहीं सकती, बीजेपी के कारण ये पेपर लीक हुआ है, बीजेपी की सरकार ने पेपर लीक किया है। कांग्रेस ये पार्टी डिसाइड करेगी। अभी हमारा आंदोलन सड़कों पर है, मुकदमा क्या दर्ज कराएं, सरकार इनकी एजेंसियां सारी इनकी है, पुलिस इनकी है, कुछ भी कर ले इनकी क्या फर्क पड़ता है? तो नकटे हैं बिल्कुल। रोकेगी तो मैं कोई कुश्ती लड़वा दौड़ना आया, हमारा काम है पुलिस से लड़ने दौड़ना है, हम पुलिस से दौड़ना लड़ना है, हमारा सरकार से लड़ना है। रास्ता रुका हुआ रुक गया ना, घेराव हो गया, इसी को घेराव कहते हैं। बीजेपी का रास्ता रुका हुआ है ना।
बीजेपी कार्यालय का घेराव करने के लिए तमाम ये जो कांग्रेस के नेता हैं ये निकल रहे थे, लिहाजा ट्रिपल बैरिकेडिंग यहाँ पर की गई थी। काफी जो प्रशासन है वो बड़ी तादाद में यहाँ पर मौजूद था। कांग्रेस का ये कहना है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता इस पूरे पेपर लीक में इन्वॉल्व हैं, जिसको राजस्थान की एसओजी और बीजेपी की सरकार बचा रही है। इसी को लेकर तमाम जो ये प्रदर्शन है वो उग्र अंदाज में कांग्रेस पार्टी के जो ये नेता हैं ये कर रहे थे और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का घेराव करने के लिए कार्यालय का निकले थे।
Well, let's put out those pictures of protests, at least 10 arrests that has been now made on part of the investigating agency, which is the CBI in this case. Of course, there are deeper links that are also said to be involved. Multiple arrests that have mainly taken place are coming in from Maharashtra. But the investigation that has also continued pan-India and other states as well, where the protests continue to happen. So in the meantime, when we talk about the NEET paper leak probe, the latest development that suggests that the main accused in this case, Shivraj Motegaonkar, also known as Sir M, allegedly operated a highly organized network, a systematic racket, and according to sources what we are picking up, especially when it comes to the accused in this case, allegedly operated the network using selection first and payment later model. Now what is being said that the investigators claim that the deals ranged anywhere between 5 lakh to 30 lakh rupees and even beyond. And when it comes to how the understanding was built up when it comes to the other party in this case, which is said to be even students and parents that were allegedly said to be involved in this racket. So that seems to be the modus operandi, how it was running. And of course, when it comes to another sensational detail that we have now added to this angle and the investigation that has been taking place, let's break that for our viewers, because what is now being suggested that the main accused from Latur, which is Shivraj Motegaonkar, allegedly operated 9 branches of his coaching institute, the Renukai Coaching Center. Now what is being said that this 8-acre property where there was a school, there is a college currently under construction, is also under scanner, and also the special focus of this investigation is also on the doctors and the affluent families in Latur and nearby districts. And according to the investigators, several parents who strongly aspired to see their children enter medical professions were allegedly willing to pay huge amount of money to secure leaked examination material. So multiple aspects there of the case, including financial transactions, communication records, and institutional links are also being examined, and the investigators believe that they have been scrutinizing previous examination patterns as well and the results linked to Latur.
See, it is so unfortunate that in the last 10 years, 89 paper leaks have happened and not a single minister has resigned. 22 lakh children are now left wayward. 22 lakh children's future has been sacrificed by Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. And Modi ji, who does Pariksha Pe Charcha, when is he going to do NEET Pariksha Pe Charcha? We have appointed the Prime Minister to distribute melody chocolates. Or we have appointed him to ensure a safe and secure future for the youth.
So the investigations continue and so do the protests. We'll get you more on that back after a short break.